Hello everyone. So my name is Mukesh and I'm a Google Ads specialist with 8 years of experience and welcome to my channel. So through this video, I'm going to walk you through what is Google Ads in detail and how it works. So first of all, you must be aware of what is Google. So if you need something, you need to get some information, you need to buy some products or service, buy it anything, then you go to Google and search for that. And how it can help businesses grow using this. So suppose some business is going to run Google Ads and people see it and they click on it, they come to their uh, website and then they take the action. And that's how you grow your business. So you have to put some money in Google Ads and Google will show ads on their search engine and people will click and then they will get the mm, work done or buy the product or take your service. So it's like you invest some money in Google Ads and then you get X amount of results. So that thing can be tracked in Google Ads. So it's a search engine platform and advertising platform, and results are shown on the search engine platform. And it gives you a upper hand in terms of getting the business visibility. So anyone can just put some money and show their ads and then get the return out of it. So where in all your ads will appear? So people can search. You can go on YouTube. You might be seeing a lot of ads on YouTube, and then display in forms of display. You might be seeing the ads on different third party platforms or Google platforms, in Gmail, in Maps, shopping, Discover, and the search partners. So suppose if I search for company registration in Bangalore, and then I see this result. So this is called the uh, search page, and I see the result. And suppose I go to some third-party website, and you're watching news, and then you see the ad here. So this is called display ads. And if you search for some products, so suppose you search for buy laptop online, and then you see this kind of results. So this is called shopping ads. So there is a different mechanism to run different ads, and there are different campaign types also. So that I will be covering in the uh, upcoming video, or I mean later in this video. So so this is about search and then shopping and then display. And then when you go to YouTube, you see that ad also in different formats. So suppose one of the ad could be in form of image over here, or if you are watching some video. So suppose if I listen to some song and in between some ads come. So suppose this ad came. So this is the ad from Google and they are showing. So it's in form of video. So this is called YouTube ads. And then you will be seeing the ads in Gmail also. So if you are logged into your Gmail and you click on promotions tab, and then here you will see the ads. So uh, it will show you something like this. So you can see like it's showing Google Ads and then Adobe. And how do you know that it's an ad? It will be labeled as sponsored in front of the ads. So this is about Gmail ad. And then if you are searching for something local, like dental clinic near me, you can see the ads on the map. So this ad is coming on the map. That is for good for local businesses because people looking for the nearby proximity area. So they are looking, then this ads will be shown on the map. So how do you know this is on the map? Since it's coming in form of Google My Business. So also that you can see that on maps. So once you click on the map, you will be able to see here sponsored, sponsors. So this is called the uh, uh, map ads. And then shopping already. Discover is one of the platform where you can see. So since it's a laptop, I cannot show you, but discover. When you browse your mobile and then you get a mobile feed and you will see ads in between, so that is called discover ad. So if see here, you can see this Google feed, and this is how it looks in the mobile. And then if you scroll down, you will see the ads in between. So this is one example you can see here, and here also it will be written as sponsored in front of the ad. So this is about the discover, and then search partner. So there are different third um, party websites where your ads will be showing. So suppose if you search for company registration in Bangalore, then you might be seeing on some different platforms. So suppose one of the example that comes to my mind is DuckDuckGo. So this is also a third party tool where your ads can be shown. And yeah, so and there are different websites where your ads will be shown. So that is called search partners. So why do businesses use Google Ads? So what happens is Google is a place where you go when you are in need. When you are in need, that means you have an intent that you are looking for something, not like someone is showing ads to you when you are watching YouTube or browsing Facebook or Instagram. So that is not called intent. When you go and search for any service or products, that is called intent. And if you are browsing something and ads get shown in front of you, that is coming through your interest, because you might be browsing similar things or clicking on similar websites, or if you have liked some post or engaged in some post, commented on that, so that will come through the interest part, that you have actively done that, shown interest and all. And second part is speed. So ads can go live in 1 hour, 2 hours, when based depending on the uh, how people are good with that ads, and also you can set up the ads and go live within few hours. But whereas SEO, which is when people search for it and then they um, see the results in form of SEO. So this can take really good amount of time, maybe months or years together to come on the top of the page. So that is time taking. So you cannot make money faster. And also, when you are going to run Google Ads, you control things like you can put some budget, limited budget, that okay, I want just 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees, 10,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees, whatever money that you can afford to spend, invest in Google Ads and get the results out of it. So you can set that, and then you can target based on the starting from the pin code level to radius level to city, then state, and then country, and then different countries. So you can do all those things, and also you can run for limited time. So suppose time duration from 9 to 5, or 10 to 5, or 10 to 10. So whatever time duration that suits your business when you are open, then you can run for that also. And also you can choose to show whom do you want. So people, what people they are, what they are doing, they are searching for the same services, or they are browsing things in the similar interest. So there are, or they are visiting your competitors websites. So through all those way you can control on what keywords you want to show your ads, and then whom to show, where to show, what time to show. So all those things you can control. And after that, once you run the ads, you get to see like how much you are paying, how much result you are getting, what people are doing on your website, what kind of actions they are taking on the website. So all these are measurable. So you can you can run Google Ads because it gives you all these things like better results, measurable results, and the control where you can show your ads. So this is how this ads looks like, as I showed you. Like suppose I search for company registration in Bangalore. So this is one example that people might be searching and they see the ads with the label sponsored, and then organic will be something like this. So this is a model called pay per click, which means it's not you are not going to be charged if your ads are just shown and no one clicks on it. So you're not going to be charged based on that. So suppose if I search and I see someone ads, so if I don't click, they're not going to get charged. Suppose your business, instead of these businesses, your business is here, and uh, mm, uh, someone searches for that and your ads get shown over here, like most of the times the ads will be in the top four or in the bottom, but not guaranteed, but sometimes you can see in the middle also. So you can see like but again, yeah, so this is the second start of the second page. So this is beginning of the page, and then in between the SEO results will there, and then at the end this bottom, this ads will be there. So if I have not clicked, they will not get charged. If I click, then only that gets charged, the company gets charged. So that is like pay per click. So you uh, pay only for that click. So how this process works? So you have to find the keywords, like on which keywords you want to run the ads. So there is separate video on, like I will be covering that in different video, how to select keywords which can be profitable, or best keywords which is profitable for you, and how many keywords you need to select to get best result and be profitable. But in short, make sure that you use Google Keyword Planner and put your keywords, and see the volume. Volume should be minimum 30 per month, and then select those keywords and write the ads. So like you can see, take the help of competitors, like suppose this is your service, or take whatever example, go to Google and search for that and see what they are writing. So similar to that, make sure that you write, but the only thing you have to keep in mind is whatever your keywords that should be in the ad, and then create the give the budget, create the campaign, and then you run your ads. So choose the keywords, write the ads, then select your location, put the budget and run the campaign, publish the campaign. So in case you want a detailed video on how to create the campaign, I will give you the link in the description, and you can watch the video in more detail. So keyword is the foundation, and most of the times people make mistake is they just go and search some irrelevant keyword. Make sure that its intent is there in that keyword, that someone is really looking for um, your service or products. So suppose something like birthday cake near me, or order custom cake online. So people are using these keywords: order, near me, delivery, or how to bake a cake. So this, if you see this how to bake a cake, this is informational. You can skip this. Cupcake delivery. This is also not that great keyword. But here, these keywords are with high intent, where people are really looking for something to buy or order the cake. So one of the best thing is, like, you need to focus on the intent. That way, you get a better business. So how the ad option happens? So someone clicks, your ads get shown, and people think that okay, you are the best in the business. So make sure that your ads are lucrative, like faster delivery, less price charges, and then you can deliver within 24 hours delivery. So all these things, make sure that your ads are clickable, that people click based on their need or intent. So suppose someone search for online and you're not selling online, then do not write that in the ads that you are going to show online, or do not use those kind of keywords. So deliver online, which means people can just order and then you deliver them to them. Then only you get the business. So do not do false promises, and then you are going to succeed if you use this platform and use it properly. and based on the different factors your ads get ranked. So what is rank is, if you see, if I search for this company is ranking first, second, third, fourth. So whoever generally comes like first, second, third, fourth, people might click on the like second, third, or first, and then they get the business. But how to show on the first, that depends on how well is your copy, how well is your keywords, and how well is your landing page. So these things matters a lot: your keywords, your ads copies, and your landing page. So everything should be in tandem, like it should be followed. Like suppose I search for company registration, I can see in the title company registration, register your company registration. And if I click on this ad, I will see that same thing on their landing page also, that they are dealing with the company registration. And then how it works is, and whatever I explained, like keywords, ads, and landing pages, this decides your quality score. And that quality score is a number from 0 to 10. So better it is, less you pay. So your bid, suppose 5 rupees you bid, and your quality score, and that is what the ad rank, which means if your bidding is good and quality score is good, then your ad rank will be higher. Which means, suppose in Google Keyword Planner, you go and see like 30 rupees and your quality score is good, and then you will be ranking higher in that. But make sure that you bid up to the mark. So suppose you go to Keyword Planner and then you see that cost per click is 30 rupees, then you bid 31, then you will be shown in the top. So this is how it works. You bid, you put daily budget, and then use the bidding strategy, and then your ad will start delivering. Make sure that headline, as I mentioned, it grabs attention, and then it should be clickable. So these are the campaign types: search, display, video, shopping, performance, and app campaign. So if I log into my Google Ads account, so this matches to the thing I have explained. What all where your ads can appear, and same thing goes to the campaign types. So if I click on new campaign, then you get to see which all campaigns are available, and these are the objectives what you want to do with your campaign, and what based on these objectives your campaign types will change. So if I select this performance max, if I select this only YouTube, sales, all the campaign types will be available, and then leads, all the campaigns will be available. So again, I have to just continue and see. So you can see all the campaigns are available, leads also, all the campaign types, and then sales, all the campaign types. So performance max is mix of all types of campaign. Search is only your ads will be shown on the search result, and demand gen will be on YouTube and display, and then Google Display and YouTube. Video, it will be on a YouTube. Display only on the display parts, and shopping on the search engine only in form of the shopping that I have already shown. So these are the main things that we initially measure. There are a lot of things, but basic is you make sure that your campaigns are getting clicks, and then you are getting conversions out of that, and then clicks, then conversions. So uh, CTR is like clicks divided by impression. So this is a matrix which is important, and KPI to understand that how good is your ad performing. So like suppose your ads are getting shown a lot of time, but you're not getting enough clicks, which will make your CTR down, which is not good. And CTR is one factor in getting good quality score. So make sure that CTR is good. And when will be CTR will be good? When your ads are really good, and it's clickable, and people get a lot of information through your ads, and they understand what you do. So CTR should be, make sure that your CTR ranges or should be more than 10% for the search campaigns. But you can get to know about that by searching, like based on the history, or the some publishers they do that. CTR, Google Ads CTR benchmark. So you can go to websites like this and find for different types of campaign what should be the CTR, and then different industry what should be the CTR. So this is display and this is search. So you can see and make sure that you follow that, and then you stay above that. So cost per click, like this thing might vary based on what you see, like in Google Keyword Planner. So suppose if I go here, and in the real time it might vary. So if I go to Keyword Planner and search for company registration online, and I see here cost per click. So this might vary based on the real time or quality score and location and the duration, time duration when your ads are being shown. So these things will be vary, but this is like cost per click. If someone clicks on your ad, you pay for that click. So this is called cost per click. Conversions, like what people do. So someone sees your ads, what they will do, they can um, convergence, what action they take, like they fill the form, they call you, they uh, talk with you on WhatsApp. So these are our conversions, whatever the action they take, and then how much money you make out of that. So suppose you ran the ads for 10 days and you spend 100 rupees per day for 10 days, 1,000 rupees, and then you see how much money you made. So that is called a return on the ad spend. So uh, So this is all about the Google Ads and then measuring these things. So key takeaways, Google Ads put you in front of people who are searching for your service or products, and then you pay per click, not for just views. And then you bid it, your based on your search edge, you keep your ads perfectly fine, and then you get more business and more clicks and more business. So as per the industry and industry standard, you should get one lead for every 10 click. So 10 clicks, one lead, 10 clicks, one lead. So the minimum budget for you per day is like, make sure that you have a 10 into CPC, whatever CPC there, then 10 into that CPC, that should be your minimum budget per day. And also make sure that when you are starting, do not worry. Initially, Google takes time to start showing some good results or start giving you conversions. So make sure that you do everything perfectly fine, and then you let the ads run for 7 days, and then based on that you take action. And you can control your keywords budgets. Do not start with more than, I would suggest, do not start your ads with more than 5 keywords, and then one ad group and 3 ads, and based on the budgets, whatever you decide based on the industry and all, you decide the budget and then run. So this is what about Google Ads. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, do subscribe, share with your family and all. And if you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section. I read every comment and I'll reply to your questions. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video.